In this question I did a mistake. What I did I will show you. This is a compound, and we know it will undergo dehydration. Water molecule will be removed. So what I did is I removed it. It would be removed, right? So it would be likewise, right? And then what I did is if this is we know the beta elimination process, right? It would be beta hydrogen. It would have two hydrogen, right? So we know beta hydrogen elimination. Here hydrogen will be removed. How? Because the H2O water will be there, right? So it would attract it. We know this process. So it would become likewise, and here will be a double bond formed, right? So the final product would be this. So I thought that this is the only product that can be formed using this, and you can see the options. The major product of the above reaction is, so I thought the only product would be this, so I took the answer, but this was not the case. We have to keep in mind always that in a compound, if we are getting a carbocation, so there can be anything. There can be rearrangement, there can be hyperconjugation, resonance, anything, so that the most stable compound can be formed, right? And that will be the major product. So here we can see it is primary carbocation, primary positive charge. It is on the primary place, right? So here we can see this is the alpha, right? And no, sorry. So this is the alpha, and here is the beta, and we have two hydrogens here, right? Alpha beta hydrogen. So here we can see hyperconjugation happening. So this hydrogen would come here, so it would become somehow like this, right? The positive charge would come here through hyperconjugation, right? And it would be more stable because now it is at the secondary place. Here it was in the primary place, so it would be more stable, so it would be more major. So here now we can do the beta elimination. Here this would be alpha, and this would be beta, and this would be beta, right? So here, if here it has one hydrogen, and here it has one hydrogen, so here two products can be formed. One will be this, sorry, here two products can be formed. One would be this, other would be other would be this, right? So two products can be formed. So according to that Zatzwer rule, sorry, it is called the Zatzwer rule, right? Zatzwer rule, I don't remember the names of, right? So according to the Zatzwer rule, which would be more substituted alkene, that would be from the major product. Here we can see we have two substitutions here, and here it is only one substitution, right? So obviously this will be the major product. So actually the major product will be this. So this would be the answer. So we have to keep in mind that the catch was here, that if we are getting any carbocation or carboanion, so we should find the most stable form and then further proceed the reaction.